Right.
Good job. High five. Yeah. High five. Good job. Alright, can we open Braden's present? Yeah. Okay, let's see what Braden got. Baby. Yeah, let's see what baby got. Can you open it for him? What did he get?
He's over here being little upset. Hi there.
What's that? Baby. Is that a shirt? Can you go show it to him? Yeah. Go show it to him. Here, walk this way. Go show him the shirt.
Hey, stop at the horse's milk.
There you go.
Oh, thank you. Here, I'm going to my first Christmas. Pretty nice, huh?
There's something else in there for him. Can you take that to him? No, this right here. Kylie. This right here. Take that to him. Good job.
What's he got there? Hmm? What is it? Oh, it's a mirror and an elephant and stuff for the car, huh? That's very nice. Okay, let's put it right here. Who's in the mirror? Okay.
A baby.
Yeah. That's for baby here, huh? Baby has the hiccups this morning. Went to the hockey game last night.
A baby.
Where's the baby? Where's our baby? Where's Braden? Oh, he just lost his pacifier. Kylie. Hi there. Hi. Hmm?
Kylie, can you try to give this to Brandon? Put that up there too, so list of them.
Those are some nice clothes, huh?
Those are from Miss Brandy. And Boston and Hector.
Okay, now it's Mommy's. Oh, yeah, we found the sticker. Put it on the shirt. That's good. She took the sticker off and put it on her shirt. She's doing the same thing again to the next one. Okay, Kylie. Wave bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.